Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is one of the scenario how to change data type in PySpark using cast function. So in this demo, we'll see how to join multiple datasets. After joining, how to convert different columns to different data types. Okay, so we'll go for demo. So first I'm calling functions, importing call and cast. So I'll try to run this one. So next I have three data sets. Okay, so among that, this is the first one. So I'm reading this data set. Okay, so that is running data revision 2.csv. So I'll try to display this data frame. Yeah, so this is the data frame. So you can see we have different columns, and you can see here relative data types. Okay, so this is our first data frame. Next, I will try to run second data frame, that is sales data revision 2. So my second data set is this one, and it has this many columns and that relevant data types. Okay, so next I have one more data set, that is sales collect revision 2. I'll try to run this one also. So now what I'll do, I'll try to join these three data sets. Okay, so first one, sales underscore collect revision 2. That is this one. This data set I am joining with sales data revision 2. That is sales data revision 2. This data frame, second data frame. So what I'm trying to join third and second data frame on these particular columns. If you see target underscore simulation ID, you see here, this is our third data set. This is target simulation underscore ID and target simulation identity in second column. That is this one, target simulation identity. And on top of that, I am joining one more data set, that is first one, running underscore data with target event identity. If you go to first one, this one, target event identity. So how I'm joining? By using left join. Okay, how? This is left join. Okay, so if you want more information on this particular data set and how to join multiple columns, you can go to my playlist and you can go to PySpark playlist, and in PySpark playlist, you'll find this one, 20th video, how to join multiple data sets using PySpark. Okay, so in this I explained clearly how to join multiple data sets. Okay, so here, this particular scenario, what is our task is, after joining these multiple data sets, you can see these relevant data types. Okay, so in this, few things I want to change to different data type. So here, what I'm doing, sales underscore collect underscore F. That means this particular data set. So on top of this data set, I'm trying to change the data types. So we'll see what are the columns I'm trying to change. So here I'm using withColumn function, and for ID column, I'm trying to do data type change. On ID column, I'm trying to do string type. Okay, so ID column is this one. Okay, see currently it is reading as integer. So this I wanted to change to string type. Next, department ID. Department ID also I want to change to string type, this one. See, currently it is reading as int. But if you see here, it is integers only, but it is reading as integers only. But why I'm changing to string type is that is my project requirement. Okay, so my mapping sheet, according to mapping sheet and my enriched data, no, these two columns should have string type. So that's why I'm changing from integer to string data type. Next, it come to sub department underscore ID. So this one I'm changing to string type by using cast function. So like this, see, you can see many columns. So for each column, for every column, I used a cast function, and as per requirement, I changed data type, string type. Here also string, vehicle profile ID changing to string, description changing to string type, vehicle price ID changing to string type, vehicle showroom price changing to double type. If you see vehicle showroom price, yeah, see currently it is read as double. See, it has mixed values. Okay, integer and doubles mixed are there, and it read as double also. But still, I converted this. So actually not required. For safer side, I converted this one. So vehicle showroom delta. So this one also I converted to double type, and vehicle showroom payment date. You see this one, vehicle showroom payment date. Okay, so this one currently it is a date type. So I'm changing from date to long time. Similar way, average column I'm changing to double type. Increment I'm changing to double type. See average, this one is double. If you see increment, currently it is 0 is there, double is there. But still I selected all the columns and I converted to relevant data types. So if you are filling these data types, it is already available and it read correctly, then no need to convert. So you can identify which are all the columns it not correctly converted. So only those columns you can select and we can convert to relevant data type. Okay. So this syntax. Okay. So if you want more information about these cast functions, how to use, can go to my playlist and we can check here this 19th video, how to change column data type. Okay, so this one video you can see, and apart from this, you have some scenario playlist. You see PySpark scenario. I have 3 videos. So in this, you can go through 4th one and 5th one. So here I explained how to change data type from integer to string. And here how to change data type from string to date. Okay, so these are all relevant videos. So you can see those videos. Okay, so that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe and share in your circle. Thank you.